Here we have a new railroad crossing. It's a private crossing here at Hydrite Chemical on INRD trackage here on the south side of town. They've extended this spur. That's the spur for the actual facility. They made this new one, which looks to be just like extra storage tracks. I've been seeing them do MOW, like have the maintenance of way out here actually. Saw them doing that like a few months ago and hasn't been any activity, so I assume it's done. I'm not gonna go like very far because I don't really know if you're even supposed to come up here. Probably not, but I just want to show this emergency info, how ridiculous this is. First of all, it says INDR and it's actually INRD, as we all know. This is a sin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6A. They didn't even bother to actually put correct stuff. They just put it there. So I don't even know if that's the right phone number. I'll have to check. It might be the right phone number at least. I mean, at least, hopefully they at least got that part right. That would be really disappointing. And it's the same thing over there. But yeah, I mean, other than that, like, as much of a joke as that is, it's cool to see new track instead of track being ripped up. And actually, I might put in pictures right here after I say this. There's over where this west belt / south belt, it's varying names. Terre Haute Industrial Track. It's right over there, where like Voorhees with the Hybrid Bell. The other track that's out of service with the Safe Tram bells, like Prairie Tin and stuff. The switch got taken out there, so that was new. I just noticed a little bit ago, just driving around. It's a recent change, but none of the actual like crossings have been messed with. I checked all of them, so that's good. Here's this Hydrite sign. I might make an update video maybe if I ever see cars here eventually. I'm sure there will be at some point, but I'm surprised they used actual crossbucks, because this is like a private crossing, I'm sure. I can't imagine it classifies as a public road. They used actual crossbucks and yield signs. But then again, they put INDR and didn't even bother putting the right dot number or making one. Maybe they just haven't made one yet and they'll like tape over it the right numbers and stuff whenever they make a real one, but I don't know. Definitely not finished. Actually, I just noticed there's still it's not gonna focus, but they're making another like little sidewalk crossing right there. It's not finished yet. And another stupid thing over here is on the approach from Erie Canal, the Erie Canal sides, on the approaches they put out these signs that show like the intersection with the tracks and stuff. But they're both of them are wrong. This one is especially ridiculous. This is just embarrassing. Yeah, so it shows like it's a T instead of the plus, and it shows it as like, it shows it as this not even existing, basically, is what it's showing it as. So like, just look at that compared to that. There's the crossing. That is not right. So that's just ridiculous. And then the other one's the same, but except it actually shows, I mean, at least it shows, it's flipped upside down basically. It shows the road the right way. But then it just shows it ending instead of actually continuing. It's still like a T. So yeah, just another little, I don't even know. It's kind of stupid, but that's about what I expect from Terre Haute. So, and for Google Maps, this is Erie Canal Road, and that's Voorhees Street, so it's just right by Erie Canal and Voorhees. So yeah, thanks for watching.